everyone, my name is Chloe Clover and I want to show you my puppies. This one's name is Peaches. It has no collar and it's really cute. He's super sweet and loves to cuddle. Okay, this one just woke up, but he has a light blue collar and his name is Bubbles. He's super cute and cuddly and loves getting his pets. This one has a green collar and we call him Blast because he's so fast. I think he's the most active out of all of the puppies. He's super cute and he likes to run around. This puppy has a red collar. His name is Coco because he's kind of dark and he's cute and sweet, but he also will growl at you. This one has a purple collar and I named it Mocha. It's probably the sweetest out of all the puppies. She's super sweet and gentle and she's so cute. This one you can't really see the color, but it's like a diluted pink and its name is Cookie. She is really gentle and really sweet. She's so cute. This puppy has a dark blue collar and his name is River. He's really tired and sleepy right now, but he is so cute and he loves being pet. This one has a black collar and I named it Blackberry. He hates being picked up and he does growl in his sleep. It's so cute. He thinks he's tough, but it's funny because he sneezed and fell over.